Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Chromecast model and opening the Google Home app on the phone that will control it. Make sure you have the new Wi-Fi SSID and password available, and verify whether your device prefers 4 GHz versus 5 GHz because that affects range and reliability. If you cannot join the old network, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button until the LED blinks. This forces the device into setup mode so you can reconfigure Wi-Fi from scratch. Once done with reset, or if your Chromecast is discoverable, open Google Home and tap the plus icon to add a device, selecting Setup Device and then New Devices in your home. You will be guided to claim the Chromecast and match the on-screen code shown on the TV. This confirms you are configuring the correct unit. Next, pick the new Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Do this slowly to avoid typos. Then wait while the device applies settings and reconnects to your router. You finish by testing casting. Play a brief video from a cast-enabled app and confirm the Chromecast appears online in Google Home. If it fails to connect, reboot the router and the Chromecast, then re-enter the Wi-Fi password to rule out a typo. Make sure to check router features like access point isolation or MAC filtering that can block devices, and update router or Chromecast firmware when available. These steps often resolve stubborn connectivity problems and restore reliable streaming without needing another factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.